This is Audible.
You're listening to the audio production of Tame Your Thoughts, 3 Tools to Renew Your Mind and Transform Your Life by Max Lucado, published by Thomas Nelson, and read by the author. A note before we begin, don't forget to download the accompanying enhancement PDF from your audiobook provider. It contains figures, reflection questions, and a scripture database, and will be referred to throughout as the enhancement. For Buckley, Thumb, Calhoun, Pete, McMahon, and John. Here's to more fairways, birdies, mulligans, good talks, and dumb jokes. In heaven, we will all break par. Acknowledgements. Let me present the Hall of Fame of the publishing world. My editorial assistant, Karen Hill, is the ballast to this boat. Thanks to Karen, deadlines get met, mistakes get fixed, and the world is a better place for us all. My editor, Sam O'Neill, the ideal writing coach. Sam knows when this author needs a pat on the back or a kick in the rump. Appreciate you, friend. Steve and Cheryl Green are lifelong friends and co-workers. I could do without my right arm easier than I could do without this couple. They are the best. Project manager, Janine McIver, copy editor, Mary McIver, and legal and permissions editor, Rhonda Lowry. Great thanks to this trio of masters. The team at HarperCollins Christian Publishing are brilliant. I'm indebted to Mark Schoenwald, Don Jacobson, Andrew Stoddard, David Schrader, Stacy Blackmar, Janine McIver, Laura Minshew, Doug Lockhart, Michael Briggs, Thomas Womack, Kurt Diepenhorst, Christy Edwards, and Mark Weising. Lane Pittman, super producer. Your ability to wrangle a crew and a feisty author deserves a round of applause. Greg, Susan, and Daniel Ligon, there is no project you cannot manage or problem you cannot solve. Thank you for bringing so much to the table. Andrea Ramsey, your careful and thorough writing results in a terrific study guide and a proud papa. Dr. Lee Warren, your books on brain physiology and science made a difference. Thanks for educating me. Also, great gratitude to my friend Dr. Ed Newton for his insights and support. Jenna Munsinger and Pamela McClure have cracked the code on publicity. Grateful for you both. Caroline Green curates and manages our Encouraging Word podcast, Fresh Hope YouTube channel, and all things in the world of social media. She is the picture of grace and skill. Margaret Machinas and Janie Padilla prefer to work backstage, but their attention to detail deserves a standing ovation. I deeply appreciate you both. David Treat is our prayer warrior. He sits in the corner of the room and prays while we edit. May his unselfish spirit be rewarded and his prayers be answered. Brett, Jenna, Rose, Max, Rob, Andrea, Rio, Jeff, Sarah, and June, you own the key to my heart. Denalyn, my bride, the smartest thing I ever did was propose. The craziest thing you ever did was accept. I'm so glad you have a crazy side. I love you. And to you, dear reader, thank you. As you think about your thoughts, I'll be thinking about and praying for you. Happy reading. Chapter 1. Think about what you think about.